Hi, this is DeWitt Lacey, and we are on Good in Common. Today, we're here to talk about searches and seizures. The Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution protects your right to privacy by prohibiting unreasonable searches and seizures. Uh, the authors of the Constitution wrote this amendment to prevent the oppressive means of governing that many among them experienced under the British enforcement of the Stamp Act, which allowed soldiers to search wherever they wanted and seize whatever they found. Now, while the Fourth Amendment was originally written to protect the privacy of our property, including our vehicles and cell phones, it has been expanded to prevent intrusive searches and seizures of our persons even. Any evidence found during an unlawful search and seizure cannot be used in a court of law. If the police are at your door, you can reduce the risk to yourself by staying calm and remembering that you have rights in the court. You do not have to invite the police into your home. Instead, talk with the officers at your door and ask them why they're here. The police can't just come into your home without your permission unless they have an authorized warrant to search the premises. If the officers have a warrant, observe their search and take notes of any items that are seized, unless, of course, they tell you to leave the house and leave the property while they conduct that search. But remember that the officers can and have the right to restrict your access to the property during that search, if they so choose to do so. But don't forget, you can still exercise the Fifth Amendment and remain silent, even when the police are executing a warrant. They may ask for permission to conduct a search of your belongings. Remember, the Fourth Amendment gives you the right to deny a search. If you choose to invoke this right, say so quickly and clearly. However, if the officer suspects that you may be involved in a crime or that you may have evidence of a crime on your person, they can conduct a search without a warrant. To protect yourself later, remind the officer that you do not consent to a search. If drugs or weapons are found during the search, the police can confiscate them. They may ask to conduct a search of your vehicle. And the Fourth Amendment gives you a right to deny that search as well. Remember to say so clearly and quickly if you are invoking this right. But to protect yourself later, remind the officer again after the search that you did not consent to the search. And whatever they found, whether it be drugs or weapons, the police can confiscate them and they can use it against you later. If you have any questions about anything you just viewed, please feel free to reach out to us at the website. Until then, I'm still DeWitt Lacey. This is Good in Common, and we the people.